iSteady Pro 4 First Use. There are iSteady Pro 4 Carry Case, User Manual and Quick Start Guide, Mini Tripod, Gimbal Charging Cable, and Camera Charging Cable in the box. Please make sure the gimbal is fully charged before using it. Tap the power button. The remaining battery power can be checked on the side of the handle. If you need to charge the gimbal, please insert the charging cable into the Type-C charging port on another side of the handle. The indicator flickers when the gimbal is charging. The indicator stays on when the gimbal is fully charged. iSteady Pro 4 has a built-in power bank, which allows you to charge your phone with charging cable from the USB output. Firstly, screw the tripod on the bottom of iSteady Pro 4. Pull the quick release clip. Then mount the action camera and let the camera lens face out. After mounting the action camera, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to power on the gimbal. Powered on. Based on different cameras with different positions of charging port, please make the camera charging port face outward to prevent blocking by the tilt motor. Mount GoPro 1098 in reverse. Some action cameras may shooting reversely due to mounting in reverse, such as GoPro 1098. You can adjust the motor shaft until the camera is shooting in the correct direction. Plug in the official charging cable to charge camera. Connect to charge the camera while filming. After the gimbal is powered on, double press the pair button, which is behind the quick release clip. Indicator keep flashing green presents gimbal enters the pairing mode. Take GoPro 10 as an example. Launch GoPro camera interface. Select Connections. Reset Connections. Select Wireless Connections. On. Select GoPro Quick app. Wait for connection. Single press, control camera to take photo, video. Double press, switch between photo, video mode. Press and hold for about 3 seconds to power on or power off. Single press to check the battery level. It also can control GoPro shutter button when is connected. Joystick, push up, down, left, right to control tilt and pan. Single press to switch the working mode. PF, pan follow. PTF, pan and tilt follow. L, all locked. POV, all follow. Slider, control the shooting direction of roll axis, and the controllable range is within -30 to +30 degrees. Trigger, double tap to recenter the gimbal. Press and hold the trigger to enable the sport mode. In sport mode, the following speed of gimbal will be accelerated, which is good for shooting fast transitions or fast follow-up shooting. Download the Hohem gimbal app. Please enable the phone Bluetooth and launch the app. Select product model iSteady Pro 4. Click to connect Bluetooth and select a Bluetooth device to enter the shooting. The Bluetooth light stays on, indicates the Bluetooth connection is successful. 1. Virtual joystick can remotely control the shooting direction. 2. Click recenter to recenter the gimbal. 3. Switch the working mode at the bottom. 4. Customize your settings of the gimbal in the app, such as follow speed, joystick speed, and so on. Motion time-lapse. You can set the waypoints and adjust pan, tilt, roll axis. Pan axis and roll axis can be directly adjusted to the appropriate position by hand, and tilt axis is adjusted by the joystick. The setting is up to 6 waypoints. Just set it up and wait for it to create a fast-changing blockbuster effect. Inception mode. Make iSteady Pro 4 switch to POV mode. Hold the gimbal horizontally. Adjust camera position by joystick. Keep the camera lens facing forward. Push joystick to left or right continuously. It is now ready to take a 600 degrees inception video. iSteady Pro 4 can be used with accessories that are able to purchased separately. iSteady Pro 4 remote control or selfie stick tripod. Selfie stick can be extended up to 500 millimeters. iSteady Pro 4 remote control pairing. 1. Power on iSteady Pro 4 and press the power button 7 times to enter pairing mode. 2. Turn on the remote control and the pairing will be completed in 3 seconds. 3. The remote control can remotely control iSteady Pro 4 now. Install the smartphone holder to the extension screw hole on the middle of handle for holding the phone. Smartphone holder can be turned 90 degrees. iSteady Pro 4. Dare to take action.